Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Neha. I make video on tech and my life in the UK. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the objects method which are very useful in ReactJS. So if you are someone new who is starting their career with ReactJS and doesn't know how much JavaScript they should know, I would highly encourage you to watch my last video on arrays and this video. This video will help you to understand the most crucial concepts you will be using in ReactJS in your day-to-day work, which is handling array and handling object. In today's video, I'm not going to get into the details or the basics of object, what is object, how to create and all that. I'm going to show you that what are the methods, how you will be using objects. So right now in front of you, you can see a JSX file. So the first thing what we are gonna do is we are gonna create object. So I will have price and name. So this is my simple object. Now one of the use we can see in ReactJS is object would be coming as a data to you. You will be saving it in your states. When you are working with Redux, you will be seeing that you are handling objects a lot. So just to show you the same example, what we will do is we will use useState. I will create a state. This is my setter function. This is my useState, and I will pass items here. Now this is my initial state, so this is here. Now what if I want to access this value? So whenever you want to access a value from an object, because we have multiple keys in this, the way is just to use dot notation. And now I can just go ahead and just access this value in my page, and you can see bread is coming. So this is the one of the thing you should remember. Whenever you want to access any value from an object, you will be using dot notation. If it would be a nested object, which means that if I have category and within this I have another object, and which would be label bakery, brand harvest. So now what is happening, this is a nested object. Within an object we have another object. So now I want to access the brand. So what I have to do is, again, what I will do is cart dot category dot brand. So if you will go back on the browser, you can see harvest is coming. So as your object will start getting nested, you can just do like this, dot key like this. Okay, now this is done. Now the second thing is updating your objects. Now in ReactJS, you will be doing a lot of updation. But one of the mistakes we generally do in ReactJS is we do not consider when we are changing the values that we have to keep the rest of the keys with us. So if I have to go and update this item's price to like plus 10 or 20, I have to keep in mind that these values should always be there. Otherwise what will happen, the items will get updated with the price, but name and category will no longer be there. I will show you this with an example. Update an object. So what I'm going to do is const update cart price. And in this, because we are using useState, I will use our setter function. The first thing is I will take a previous state, and then what I'm gonna do is it will dot spread operator. This I have already covered in array also, I showed you. So what this dot will do, it will keep the copy of the items. And now what I can do is I can update the price. So I have to write the key, that of which key I am updating. I am updating price. How I am updating? So I will take the previous state. This is where this whole items is right now. Dot price plus 10. Most of the most common mistake is we developers don't do this in ReactJS. If you will see, even when you are trying to do the same in JavaScript, that take the copy of the object and then do the updation, you will be doing this. This set cart is a React.js part, but rest is your JavaScript. Now what I will do is I will go here in my JSX. I will add a on click. Update price, and once my price is updated, I want to access it, so I will keep it here. Now let's go back. I have update price and you can see it is updating. Now let's see what if I will not do this. What if I will not keep in copy and I will try to access the name. Refresh. Can you see the name gone? The reason is because in our new when we are setting the state, the previous state we didn't kept with us, and that's why only price is getting updated and rest, basically price has replaced the rest of the values. So that's why this step is very important. This is how you create a new object or the copy of your existing object. So please remember this. Now if you have the nested object and you have to do the same thing, for example you have to change the label, what you need to do is you need to do the same thing. So in this case what will happen is instead of price we will write category, and because this is a key, this is a object, so within this again we will use previous state, comma. Now what you want to change, you want to change label, so we can add cake might be, and what I will do is I will add here category label. Let's go back, update price. You can see this got updated. So when it comes to nested, you have to do the same thing but one more level deep. So these are the two things when you are working with React.js you need to remember. First, accessing the objects keys, and second, whenever you are updating this whenever you're updating an object, you need to create a copy of new object by using spread operator. So this is your spread operator. This has nothing to do with React.js. This is JavaScript. This is how you will do it. What is React.js here? This set cart. Rest of the things are JavaScript. I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section. I'm looking forward to your comments. If you find it helpful, please share in your social media network. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.